So on this video, we're going to be learning how to do our ombre nails and marble nails together. So guys, we're going to be starting with the ombre set. Okay, so you apply your preferred color of your choice. As you can see, we're going with pink. Okay, you apply it halfway and then you use your ombre brush to blend it in. So as you are done, you cure for 60 seconds. Then you apply your nude color. So you can see what it's giving. Okay, so you apply your nude color halfway. Okay, as you can see from the video, it's not touching the pink color. Okay, you apply it halfway and then you use your ombre brush to blend in, just as you can see on the video. So guys, we're going to cure that, okay, and then we're going to reapply the nude color again, okay, but this time around is going to be a bit closer than the first one. Okay, you apply and then you blend in with your brush. So we're going to be doing the same method, okay, on this second finger, okay, and then we're going to move over to the marble design. So that is it for the ombre design. Okay, so we're going to move over to the marble design. Okay, like I said earlier, this video is a 2-in-1 video. Okay, we are going to be learning two things in this video. Okay, so you are going to bring out the color of your choice. As you can see, I'm going with this same pink, white, and then silver color. Okay, and then you are going to be applying with my tiny brush. As you can see on this video, I did not apply blooming gel. Okay, some people do use blooming gel to get your marble design, but as you can see, I did not apply any other thing apart from my base coat. Okay, you know, in my previous videos, I normally tell you guys in my previous videos that as long as you're doing a gel design, always apply base coat before applying your preferred color of gel. Okay, so yeah, I applied base coat at the beginning of this video off camera, okay, just to avoid this video to be too lengthy. I did not apply blooming gel. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my brush to just, you know, blend all the three colors together, as you can see on the video. And that is basically it, guys. That is how to get your marble design without blooming gel. You can actually use blooming gel, but it's going to bloom. Okay, it's not going to be, it's going to be in a more bloomy way. I just don't know how to put it. Okay, so that is basically all we did for this marble design, and it actually came out so beautiful. Like, this color of pink is actually beautiful. As soon as you're done, you cure for 60 seconds, okay, and then you apply your nude parts. Okay, this nude part is also a ombre design. Okay, you applied your preferred color of nude, okay, and then use your ombre brush to blend in. Okay, yes, that is basically it. As soon as you're done, you cure for 60 seconds and then you apply your top coat. Okay, so guys, if you are watching this video up to this extent, that means you're actually enjoying this video. So please give me a thumbs up, help me to like this video, and support me by subscribing. And please turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. Okay, we upload videos every week, okay, Mondays and then Fridays. Okay, you get notified by 6 p.m. West Africa time. Okay, so we're going to move over to the second, I think the fourth hand, yes, and then this is the marble design. Okay, just exactly the same way we did the first one. So as soon as you are done, you apply your top coat for extra shine and seal your design up, and this is what it's giving, guys. It's actually very, very beautiful. Okay, so guys, hope you've liked this video, hope you've subscribed, and please drop your honest review. Okay, this nails came out so beautiful. All right guys, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, and thank you for watching. Mwah.